Here we are in Honduras, just outside the gates of the Luz de Isaías Medical and Dental Clinic. And so we want to take you on a short tour to show you around. Everything's not finished yet, but we'll go ahead and show you where things will be in the future. So this is the front entrance. You can see it's real close, right next door to Selva Cafe, where we have our job training skills center and our beauty salon. We're actually going to have an entrance from the medical dental clinic so that people can actually go back and forth between the two. But walk in with me here. This is where the front's going to be. We're going to have a nice little garden area to really honor Isaiah, who was a boy from the U.S. who really enjoyed working with kids. So this is all about kids and all about helping kids, so we wanted to go ahead and honor him too as part of it. As you walk in, this is going to be more of a reception area, an area where we'll do some of the triage to identify where people might go and get help, and dispensing of medicines and other stuff like that. We'll take you into our first room. There's three different separate rooms. This one off to the right, we try to make all of them so they're multi-purpose. This will more likely be a medical room so that they can we can go ahead and see our kids and see people from the community, identify some very basic issues with them. It's not like we're going to be doing surgery or anything, but we can go ahead and help with very basic things, like maybe it's in his stomach or giving some stuff for flu or different things like that. If you look at the back, we take it back here, and it goes into a bathroom that's part of it. Okay. Next we go into a second room. It's the exact same size. In fact, it's the flip of that first room. This one we intend to have both set up for doing dental and medical. In all honesty, all of the rooms will be set up so that we can do medical, dental, and anything else that we want in the future. Okay. This also has a bathroom very similar to the other one. Okay. If you look out the window, you can actually see we have some other property down below that we can use, you know, if we have a vehicle that we need, or if we decide that we want to have some more storage and stuff as well. Okay, follow me back into the reception area. Again, if you look over here and look through the windows on the opposite side of the reception area, you can see Selva Cafe and our terrace and the beauty salon. Okay. And then we're going to take you back here. This is an important room right here. Very hard to see in here, but there's actually steps going down. We made this so that we can have a large storage area for medicines and other things. So we're going to make it so it's basically like it's 2 levels so that we can have lots of stuff stored here. Okay? Now follow me into our largest room. This is a room where we anticipate having 2 dental chairs ideally, and they would be side by side next to each other so that we can go ahead and treat. We have another bathroom there that we can go ahead and see. And each of the rooms we intend to have a sink, a small sink too, along with the bathroom. This is an area for doing some of the processing for x-rays or for using an autoclave and sterilizing some of the equipment and stuff. And then if we take you back into this corner, this is where we're going to have some of the machines that run some of the dental, which would be things like a compressor and some of the pipes that go through that are needed in order to do suction and other things like that. Okay? That's the medical dental clinic. We're excited about it. We're hopeful that we can be able to finish at least the skeleton of this in the next few months, and then start getting the equipment and start getting furnishings so that hopefully by the end of the year we can really start to see some of the patients and to help the 100 kids that are in our programs and a lot of the people from the families too. Thanks.